Before we dive in, make sure to watch through the end of this video to learn how much it might cost to have this problem fixed. Let's take a look at what this warning means for Mazda owners and what you should know. NHTSA ID Campaign Report 110176997 Mazda. Document, Service Alert SA02025 dated April 16, 2025. Type, Manufacturer Communication, Service Alert for Dealer Guidance, not a recall. Mazda is warning dealers that growling and whine noises some technicians attribute to the differential, transfer unit, or transmission have, in many cases, actually been wheel bearings. The alert aims to prevent misdiagnosis, repeat repairs, and warranty chargebacks. This is a service alert, not a traditional TSB. Mazda's PDF examples for this topic are clearly titled Service Alert. SA02025 is the 2025 revision of that alert theme. Again, not a recall. A wide range of Mazdas. CX-3, CX-30, CX-5, CX-50, including hybrid, CX-70, CX-9, CX-90, Mazda 2, Mazda 3, Mazda 6 MX-5 with model years roughly spanning 2012 to 2025. Always check the exact VIN applicability on the NHTSA page or with a dealer. This alert outlines a methodical diagnostic procedure, not just a simple part swap. The first step in any noise, vibration, and harshness concern is establishing a baseline. We compare the customer's car to a known good vehicle, an identical model with the same trim and crucially the same tires. This comparison is vital because it allows us to determine if the sound is a genuine fault or simply a normal characteristic of the vehicle. Different tire compounds and tread patterns can create a surprising amount of road noise, so this step prevents us from chasing ghosts and performing unnecessary repairs. With a baseline set, the real detective work begins. A road test is essential to replicate the customer's complaint. We listen for a humming or growling noise that intensifies with vehicle speed, not engine RPM. Does the sound change when turning? This often indicates the bad bearing is on the opposite side, as the load shifts. Back in the bay and on the lift, we use a specialized automotive stethoscope or chassis ear, placing the probe directly on the knuckle at each wheel hub. This tool amplifies the sounds, allowing us to hear the telltale grinding of a failing bearing with pinpoint accuracy. If there's still any doubt, we perform one final check, swapping the wheels and tires with our known good vehicle. This definitively rules out tire noise, a common mimic of a bad bearing. Once the faulty bearing is unequivocally identified, the repair is straightforward. However, if the noise persists after these steps, it's crucial to stop. Before condemning expensive major components like a transaxle or rear differential, Mazda procedure dictates contacting the technical assistance hotline. This connects the technician with a team of master diagnosticians, preventing a costly misdiagnosis and ensuring the problem is fixed right the first time. For many Mazda owners, the trouble begins subtly, a faint speed-dependent hum that grows into a persistent whir or low growl. Online forums are filled with stories where the initial diagnosis mistakenly points towards a major drivetrain component like the differential. Owners describe the frustration of chasing a sound that seems to come from the car's core, only to discover the true culprit is a much smaller but critical part, a failing wheel bearing. Owners of popular models like the CX-30 and CX-5 report a key symptom. The noise intensifies with speed but remains constant when shifting. This is a classic indicator. A more advanced diagnostic test involves finding a safe, open area to gently swerve side to side. If the noise gets louder when turning one way and quieter when turning the other, it's a strong sign the wheel bearing on the opposite side of the turn is failing, as the turn is loading it with more weight. Another common at-home test is to coast in neutral at speed. If the humming noise persists without significant change, the focus shifts away from the engine and transmission, as they are no longer under load. This simple procedure helps isolate the sound to components that are still rotating with the wheels, like the bearings themselves. Unfortunately, this misdiagnosis is a costly mistake. There are numerous accounts of owners authorizing expensive differential replacements, sometimes costing thousands, only for the noise to remain. This is precisely why Mazda's technical service bulletin was so crucial. It alerted technicians to the higher failure rate of these specific wheel bearings, guiding them toward the correct diagnosis first, and saving customers from unnecessary, expensive repairs. Reference NHTSA 110176997, Mazda SA02025, and ask that the service alert diagnostic steps be followed before condemning the transmission, transfer unit, or differential. Request a lift test with chassis ear or stethoscope and a comparison to a like vehicle per the bulletin. Let's be clear, this is not a safety recall or a traditional TSB. Mazda calls it a service alert, an internal memo for technicians, filed with the NHTSA. It's a heads up to help them accurately diagnose this specific noise, preventing misdiagnosis and ensuring they fix the right part the first time. The confusion is understandable. A failing wheel bearing creates a humming noise that sounds just like a failing differential. But here's a key diagnostic tip. Wheel bearing noise often changes pitch when you turn the steering wheel. Differential noise typically stays constant. This simple test points to the true culprit, meaning the remedy is replacing a single wheel bearing, not a complex drivetrain overhaul, and that brings us to the staggering cost difference. A wheel bearing replacement runs $300 to $600 per wheel. A differential replacement, however, is a major repair costing $2,000 to $4,000. Getting this diagnosis right can save you thousands and prevents an expensive, unnecessary repair, while the real problem, the noisy bearing, remains. If this deep dive helped you understand this issue or potentially saved you from a huge repair bill, please give us a like, share your story in the comments, and subscribe for more automotive insights that put power back in your hands.